Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to see how many vertices selected in Blender. In this tutorial, I will make it simple. I will use a cube, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add a cube here. Close up to it. Next, we can show the number of vertices in this scene. We can go to bottom bar and use right click, and we can check the box scene statistics. So we can show the number of vertices in this scene. Alternative, we can go to viewport overlays. We can check the boss statistic. So we can see that I deselect the cube first. In this scene, we have 8 vertices. If we select the cube, we select the 8 vertices of the cube. To make it clearly, we can go to edit mode and make sure that we select the vertex selection. And then we can deselect all the vertices. So 0 vertex is selected. If we select 1, it shows 1. If we select 4 vertices, it shows 4. Actually, we can find the same number at the bottom bar. So this is how we can see how many vertices selected in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.